What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit PDF files for free on your Windows PC. Start by heading over to drive.google.com in your web browser and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're in, click on the plus new button in the top left and then select File Upload. Now, locate the PDF file you want to edit on your computer. Select it and click Open. Google Drive will begin uploading the file and you will see it appear once the upload is complete. After the PDF is uploaded, double-click on the file to open it. At the top of the preview window, click on Open with Google Docs. The PDF will open as a new Google Docs document. And from here, you can start editing the text, images, or formatting just like you would in any regular document. Once you're done making changes, go to the top left, click on File, hover over Download, and choose PDF document. This will download the newly edited version back to your computer in PDF format. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.